Oh man, I'm tired. Hey everybody, you know who it is, it's Unbox Everything, and today we will be unboxing some Sudio wireless headphones. I can't wait, let's just jump right in and check it out. Okay, let's just start unboxing this. This is something that actually not me, my wife got sent to blog. I just thought, let me do an unboxing because some people might be interested in this. So I'm just gonna start ripping this stuff off and let's see what we get in the box. Oh, so far very nice unboxing experience. It's very nicely packaged, as you guys can see, and very nicely packaged. Let's put this off on the side. So what do we get? We just get some wrapping paper. Just gonna open this up. And there's the pair of headphones themselves. They kind of come nicely wrapped and also in some plastic wrapper as well. And there you go. These are the wireless Sudio headphones. So they are in-ear headphones. You get 7 hours of playtime, which is not bad considering they're wireless and they're portable. You get like a charging dock, as you guys can see. It's Bluetooth 5.0. I didn't even know there was a 5.0. There you go. And you get some extra accessories with it as well. But yeah, let's just open it. Okay, here we go. So we're just gonna take the wrapper off. Just like so. Don't need that. Right, first of all, let's move. Actually, I'll leave this here because it creates a nice backdrop. So let's just open this little box up and see what we get. Now, does this just come out? Hope it does. Okay, so we actually had these headphones sent to us once before, but we never really used them. So first thing, straight out of the box, you get the little charging dock, which I'm guessing the headphones are inside here already as well. And then you get some accessories. So let's just open up the accessories first, quickly. And what do you get? So you get, this is a very fancy warranty card, basically. It's very cool. And I think the rest of it is, so you get the tiny USB charging cable, which is nice. And it's really short, so yeah, no long cables, nice. And I think finally you just get the extra kind of different sized earbuds, where you can just kind of replace it to fit your ear size. And then finally we're jumping right into the headphones themselves, and this should just open. Yep. Oh, and it has a nice clicky sound as well when you close it. And there we have it. There's the headphones themselves. So the way this works is this dock acts as the charger itself. You don't actually charge the headphones, and then actually there is already a light on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a light there on already. I'm just gonna take them out. Wow, they look really cool. Very nice, like premium feel on them, to be honest. And again, it's got like this really like nice soft like touch, like plastic touch. Yeah, there's not really much else. I think on the back, basically, so that's where you plug in your cable, and then each light represents the kind of charging indicators for each headphone and like what the status is. So I think if I was to put them back in, for example, so I don't think it matters which one goes in which, but for the sake of it, let's just put them back in. And I think what's going to happen is like so. Yep. And as you can see, both lights have just lit up. I'm not sure what the red means. It might mean that they're fully charged, or maybe not, maybe they're out of battery. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much else to it. They're Bluetooth, obviously, so they're wireless. You guys probably won't be able to see much, but I can put them on just to kind of show you. And again, it's really small. It's a nice compact package. You can take it with you anywhere. You can just put it in your pocket, put it in your backpack. It doesn't really matter. These little kind of gold circles, you do click them, and actually when you click them, I think it does flash a different color. It'll be interesting to see if this works with other devices other than phones. I'm assuming that they will. So things like laptops, possibly even like your if you're playing, for example, with your PS4, maybe like your PlayStation, like your tablet, obviously. I'm pretty sure they'll work with a tablet. But yeah, let me put them on and you guys can have a look or see how they kind of look. It's telling me that it's pairing. How do I look, guys? I probably look like an idiot. But yeah, I can't actually really tell you how they sound or anything. I can't really show you how they sound anyway. Like I said, I've used these before. We do have another pair lying around somewhere as well. They, from what I remember anyway, they sound okay. Obviously, being wireless and all, I think they probably lack a little bit of bass, if anything, more than anything. I will be trying these out like on a daily basis, and I might even do another video to kind of let you guys know what I think of them. That's all. That's kind of it. That's kind of all you get. So you get the headphones themselves. Just kind of put them down here like that. You get the little charging dock. Then you get kind of the replacement earbuds, instruction manuals, and that's it really. Not much else to it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. This was a bit short, that's fine. There's really not much else to these headphones, but once again, hope you guys enjoyed, and take care, stay safe, peace.